Good morning modelers! In this video I will make the Eduard kit of the Hanriot HD.1 in Italian service. Specifically, I will make the aircraft of Mario Zoboli, Italian pilot captain of the 81st Fighter Squadron during the First World War. Only one photo exists in which his aircraft appears. This required some study to understand its color scheme. Due to some problems with the camera, I can only show you the pictures taken during the building. This is the content of the box. Instruction, 2 modes for the model, one for the engine, the transparent glass, a sheet of decal, a sheet of masking and a sheet of photo etchings. Let's get started, so sit back and enjoy the building. To the engine I added rocket arms and its springs, spark plugs with the cables and air intakes. A delicate job, but the result is excellent. The propeller was recreated in wood by gluing 0.6 mm thick sheets of wood and then shaping the propeller. The interior was colored quickly. The cockpit is so narrow that little will be seen in the end. Instead, I concentrated on recreating the rudder and the ailerons rods, using brass tube and elastic wire. The coloring started with a basic sand color with slightly darker patches added. Then I masked the ribs to preserve the light color and I brushed over the masking tape with a darker tone to recreate the shadow effect due to the deformation of the lining. This step was also repeated on the tricolor on the underside of the wings. I then brushed the rosettes and the numbers. I color all the small details that remained with a brush. Then gloss varnish and finally I played a bit with oil paints, recreating dirt and three-dimensional effects. For the rigging, I use elastic wire, brass tube and electrical cable. I recreated the rigging by twisting the electric cable, leaving a hole at the end. Then, I threaded them into small pieces of brass tube, obtaining the complete tie rod. The last step was the connection with the hooks glued into the wings using elastic wire. It took time, but the finished model is really well done.